Hi guys, quick tip using Rocket Glasses natin. So number 1, meron siyang AI assistance. And number 2, meron siyang AI navigation. So combination guys, papakita ko sa inyo. So kunwari nag-crave kayo sa Starbucks, pumunta kayo sa ibang bansa, nag-crave kayo ng Starbucks, gusto nyo malaman saan ang nearest Starbucks. So pa-prompt natin si Rocket Glasses natin. Check this out. Hi Rocket, show me the nearest Starbucks in my location.
I'll search for the nearest Starbucks locations to your current area in Ortigas Center, Mandaluyong. Based on your location in Ortigas Center, here are the nearest Starbucks branches. Closest Starbucks locations: Starbucks The Portal, Greenfield District, Mandaluyong, very near you.
So as you can see guys, ito yung location na binigay niya sa atin. And then pa-prompt natin si navigation. Hi Rocket, navigate me to Starbucks The Portal.
Head east.
And there you go guys.
You should reach your destination by 4:40 p.m.
Kahit sa bansa pa kayo pumunta, 100% hindi na kayo maliligaw.